The growing demand for mechanical keyboards highlights how modern users crave performance, customization, and reliability. The same is true for today's kitchen appliances. Multi-cookers are now a must-have, combining multiple devices into one time-saving powerhouse. List number: Crockpot, multi-meal, multi-cooker, and programmable slow cooker with bake function. The Crockpot multi-meal multi-cooker is a versatile option that expands far beyond traditional slow cooking. Its standout feature is the bake function, which allows you to bake casseroles, cakes, and more, rare in multi-cookers. It also has customizable time and temperature settings, making it perfect for those who want full control over their meals. With multiple modes including sauté, simmer, boil, and slow cook, this is a true kitchen multitasker. The intuitive interface is beginner-friendly, while the stainless steel exterior adds durability and style. Ideal for busy families or anyone looking to consolidate appliances. List 2. Comfee 16-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker Multi-Cooker. The Comfee 16-in-1 Multi-Cooker is an affordable yet feature-rich appliance, perfect for home chefs who want everything in one pot. With 16 cooking programs, including pressure cooking, rice, soup, yogurt, sautéing, and more, it can tackle nearly any recipe. The 6-quart capacity is perfect for families, while the non-stick inner pot makes cleaning a breeze. It even includes delay start and keep warm functions for extra convenience. Many users appreciate its user-friendly controls and the flexibility it offers for healthy, home-cooked meals. List Midea 12-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker 6 quarts. The Midea 12-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker is built for reliability and performance. It includes 12 smart presets, covering everything from soups and stews to rice and desserts. The 6-quart capacity is well-suited for daily use, and its pressure cooker function significantly cuts down cooking time. Users love its even heating and consistent results. What sets it apart is the safety-focused design, with features like a locking lid, pressure control, and overheating protection. The interface is sleek, simple to use, and the inner pot is dishwasher safe. List 4. Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 Multi-Cooker. The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 is a household favorite, and for good reason. Combining pressure cooking, slow cooking, rice making, steaming, sautéing, yogurt making, and more into one appliance, this model makes meal prep almost effortless. With smart programs and a bright LCD display, it's easy to navigate even for beginners. It heats evenly, cooks quickly, and has a reliable sealing system. The stainless steel inner pot is durable and dishwasher safe. Users rave about the Duo Plus's reliability and how it simplifies everything from stews to cheesecakes. List 5. Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 Multi-Cooker. Same product listed again. Again, the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 earns its place on this list with its unmatched versatility and loyal customer base. It's perfect for both new cooks and pros looking to cut down on appliances and cook time. Whether you're preparing rice, yogurt, pulled pork, or a full roast, this device handles it all with ease, with overheat protection and smart safety features. It's also one of the safest choices out there. It's a top pick for consistent performance, ease of use, and value.